YouTube? It's me from Young Gamer 101 and Luai from Luai the Gamer. And today we're doing another unboxing video, and this time it is the Turtle Beach X32. The X12 broke. The USB cable fell off, and I got this by a trade. So I returned the X12, and we didn't have to pay. We just had to give them the receipt. And then they gave us an upgrade wireless headset. It's awesome. And this is engineered for Xbox 360.
But it could still work for PS3.
And it could still work for PC, I guess.
PS3.
PS3 too. So anyways, let's get to the unboxing. I'm gonna need scissors. Yeah, I'm gonna need scissors, bro. Hey, go get scissors. Wait, go get some. Yeah. So guys, I'll talk about this while he gets the scissors. Thank you, Loy. Thank you. Air Force wireless amplified stereo gaming headset. It does require Wi-Fi, but yeah. And if you want to contact them, the link will be in the description. He's getting it right now. So yeah, thank you, Loy. We're just using my sister's, you know. So let's get to it. Ah, man, I just cracked my leg. Ah.
Nope.
No, it's okay. Oh, there we go. Okay.
If you can't do it, I can do it.
There.
Want to do the other one?
Yeah, sure.
It's harder than you think.
Like this. Yeah, I'll do it. Okay, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. This thing is hard. Hang on.
Oh, I think I have an idea.
Oh, hang on.
Let me see.
Oh, sure that.
Don't want to cut my hand.
Yeah, I'll do it. Hang on. Okay, now the other side. Dun, 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 dun. And tomorrow, I'm gonna do a vlog to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. I uploaded that on my old channel, but I'll do a 10 times better vlog. Okay, well, it's our...
Let's go.
Yeah.
The scissors could get it off. Move.
Oh, wait. I got it. I see. Hey, man. I'll just pull this out somehow. There. We pulled it out. Now.
Here, use these if you need to. Two. Better.
Yeah, okay. Right, turn. There we go. And there's some extra stuff in the back, I think.
Yes. I think it's like...
Yes, there is. Okay,
oh, what is this? Can I unbox it?
Yeah, sure. Unbox that, please. Alright, let's see what we get in here.
Oh, there's some batteries and stuff.
Oh, batteries? What kind of batteries do you...
oh,
we got those.
Yeah.
Here's a sticker.
Another one.
These links right here will be in the description.
Oh, this is cool.
Instruction thingy. Whoa. Things look so big.
This is if you want it wired.
Yeah. This
That's
thingy. No game audio. In case there's no game audio, and then the actual headset.
And then there's
look at
something
this
else.
headset, bro. It's just like the X12. Oh crap! It's 20% battery. So we gotta do this video quick.
Oh, it's wired to something.
And This link will be in the description if you want to order the headset, the DSS2. Just some information and stuff. So yeah.
Oh god.
Let's get to the actual headset. This thing is pretty big for a headset. It's pretty big.
Oh, it looks nicer than the X12.
Yeah, I like this better than X12. Too bad I missed it. Effects. Oh, you got an effects button. See, you got a little effects button, little game audio, Xbox 360, and tone.
Okay. And here's the thing.
And here is.
I think you plug it into your computer.
I think you plug this to the back of that 360 actually. Wait. Where's that
You
cable
can
you
plug
had? Hey, there's the other thing. Which was this. What is this for? I think it's for the 360, just like the X12.
It feels good.
Yeah, this is for the Xbox.
But
Just like the precious X12.
But we don't have to use. Oh, dang, there's a power button right here.
And also, there's a little,
Power button.
Yeah, here. Review them this.
I'll
do a review.
Is hear an echo. If you hear an echo, you can fix it with this.
Yeah, and we'll be doing a review. He'll be doing a review on the Xbox 360.
Yeah.
And and here's a little power button.
And this thing is longer than the X12.
Actually, yeah, it is. It is longer than the X12. Because the X12 was a lot shorter and a lot harder to use. So this thing has to be 10 times better than the X12.
God. Yeah, this thing's comfy.
Edham, Erect Gamer. You can just go to my channel, go to the 3 dots, go to channels, go to Erect Gamer. He did a gaming setup on the P11.
Yeah, he has the P11.
So yeah. He'll probably do a room tour.
Like us.
Soon. Like us. He did the gaming setup, so we did the room tour and gaming setup. Wait, what is this? This is for the Wi-Fi and stuff. What is this?
Yeah, it's for the Wi-Fi.
I think this is for your 360 light to what is this? Spare? Like this little pair button. And then yeah, stuff. Well, guys,
I look pleased with this.
I'm alright. Let's review to this.
What's the volume button?
Volume? There's buttons over here. Tone, effects, volume thingy. And then to connect to your 360.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
So
Controller.
This also works for your PC.
So this is how you control the
there's little things over here, so you can just peel these off. Is there any on the other side actually?
So this is how you connect this to the controller.
And guys, no.
You plug it into.
So you plug this side in, and then you plug this other side to your headset.
Right on.
So yeah, guys. That is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.